Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the sixth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 28th, 2020. Yes, the sixth puzzle, binary puzzle, Tectonic has a 1 star, and this will be number 1638. No, 9. It's a 9. Correction. 1639. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, do we have here a single box? No, I see here the dual box. Oh yes, the single box is always the one. Dual box here, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4, therefore should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Let me see. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay, a short interruption. Let's continue. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. This is a quadra box, so there are no 5. There is no 5 in these 4 boxes. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 4 boxes surrounding the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 are reserved for the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left should be the 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left for the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. Then let me think. This box cannot be a 1, because if I place a 1 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, so cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, because then if I place a 2 here, those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, but also this box cannot be a 2. So 1 and a 2 cannot be a 5, cannot be a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Yeah, should be the 4, yes, alright. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And 1 digit left should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left should be the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So these 2 boxes could be a 4. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be in one of these 2 boxes. How about the 1? This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 box left should be the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here, the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3. So it should be a 5. Cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be a 5, yes. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 1 are left. Here also 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So this box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and this box should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5 here or there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's definitely a 1. So, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. It cannot be a 2. It cannot be a 3. It cannot be a 4. So it should be a 5. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. 2 and a 3. That means we have a 2 and a 5 here. I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 3. This should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 2. And this should be a 1. We have a 2 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 3. No, the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4. Do not know in which order. Depends on this box. So we have a 2 here. 2 there. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 5 and the 4. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 4. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 5. Difficult part now. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And now we have a 1 here. So 2, 3, 4. 2 or 5. Let me think. This box cannot be a 2. If it's a 2, those 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. And we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 also. So the 2 is not a possibility. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So now we have 2 boxes left. The 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make this by your own or by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper. Yes, a Tectonic with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.